Hello everyone. Today I will be giving the overview of our functionality called Cashier portal for our clients who are not using any billing system, or they do not want to use billing system, but they want to give points or rewards to their customer. So when you go to our site, which is www.loyalty.ai, hit enter, you'll see a login button on the top right corner. When you click there, um, any user like a store admin or store user can log into our portal and they can perform various actions. So once you log in, you will see these options. You can see the admin dashboard, you can see some analytics, you can see customer dashboard, you can search for customers, right? So for example, let me search for a customer 63934. So I'll be using this customer. So currently this customer is not registered, that's why you are not able to see. So some of our clients, they are not using any billing system and they want to generate invoice. So we have given this functionality called Cashier portal. They can generate the invoice. So here Gozel Saloon offers a 10% points on shopping of anything. So this is their store at New CG Road. So Cashier, I logged in as their cashier, and now I am entering the customer mobile number. So let me just give you the overview of the system. If this mobile number is not there in the system, or not, he is not a member, then once you search this, it will create a member in the system with zero balance. Now here, cashier can enter any services if they are offering. So for example, Gozel is offering hair related various services. So this will be an auto population of the services which are configured on behalf of the client into our system. So I selected hair service. Quantity you can select, you can enter price. If quantity is more, then the total price will be accordingly. So now this customer haven't done any transaction, so he does not have any points. So we will be doing the first transaction. Now these are the other options. So invoice message is nothing but once the invoice is generated, whether you want to send a message or not, and that message could be WhatsApp, that could be text message, and in future email also. If you do not want to send, then it will say do not send. Okay, so I'm not sending right now. And this checkbox gives an enhanced capability where in some of the transaction they do not want to give points to the customer. So if it is unchecked, customer will not earn any points on this 200. So by default, this is checked. This can be useful in various special cases where you have already given a lot of discount on the item. For example, it's a free item, or it's a already 70% off and you do not want to give points. So in that case, you have to uncheck it. So, but for the current transaction, I'm just checking it. Okay. So I am submitting this transaction without redeem. Okay. So once I hit submit, it has completed the transaction. I can click on this link and I can create another transaction. Now let's see what happened to that transaction. So earlier there was single member, now there are two members. Earlier there was 500, now there is a total sale of 700. Now let's search the customer with the mobile number which I had copied pasted. So this is the customer. Okay, he has earned 20 points. And you see, this is the transaction which we have just done, right? 20 rupees he has earned and 200 rupees was the invoice. Now let's go and redeem this. So again, this customer came to their salon. I want to have some treatment styling, and the charge is, for example, 120 rupees. But this time he want to redeem the 20 rupees balance, and he also, like, the cashier want to send a WhatsApp of the invoice also. So once we redeem, hit redeem, it will send an OTP to the customer's mobile number. You will hear a OTP sound on my mobile now. Yeah. So this is the OTP I received. Now, if by any chance customer is not able to receive OTP, there will be a resend OTP will be enabled after 20 seconds. So let it enable. So it will resend the OTP. So I'm again resending the OTP. Okay, just to showcase the functionality. So now you will again hear some sound on my mobile. Yeah, so OTP came on my mobile, which is 4346 3924. But by any chance, if OTP is still not coming, then there is an enhanced functionality where you can get the OTP. So this OTP you can get if customer is not, and I'm confirming. Let me just message on my screen. Gozel, thank you for shopping. Your total invoice amount was 120. You have redeemed 20 rupees. Okay, so I paid 100 rupees. On 100 rupees, I'll earn 10 rupees. So this is how you can get WhatsApp as well as SMS. Okay, so now let's search the customer. What is his current balance? So if you go to customer dashboard and enter the customer mobile number, which is 9099063934, you see customer has earned total 30 points. Out of it, in last transaction, he has redeemed 20, and now his balance is 10 rupees. Okay, and you can see all the transaction here. The original 200 rupees transaction where he hasn't redeemed anything, but he earned 20 rupees. Second transaction where of 120 rupees, where he has redeemed 20 rupees, and on 100 leftover cash, he has earned 10 rupees. So yeah, so this is how easy our system is helping businesses to generate invoices if they can't afford a billing system. Thanks a lot. Have a great day from One Loyalty team.